Ayan, Three.
Kuya, na lang patalo.
Ayan, palakpakan naman natin si Kuya. Ayan, ayaw niya magpaano.
Hoy, alis ka na dyan.
Okay, bigyan mo na siya ng consolation prize niya, Kuya Edgar. Tapos kayo, ulit tayo from the top. Ayan, balik ka ate. Ulit tayo ha, trial pa lang yung kanina. Okay, so pila tayo ng maayos. Move forward, ate. Ayan, balik tayo, mga kuya. Ayan, balik tayo, ulit tayo from the top ha. So, kailangan mabilis. Mabilis. Pagkatapos ni Ate Maureen, Ate Maureen, ayan, susunod ka, Kuya Ken, kay Ate Maureen. Okay ba yun?
Let me open.
Pagkatapos ni Ate, sunod ka.
open.
Okay. So, ready, set, go! Ayan, go! Go! Kaya mo natin. Very good. Faster, faster, faster.
Go, Kuya.
Alright, okay. McLaren style, McLaren style. Shake, shake, shake. Very good. Next center. Center. Ayan. Ayan, go, go. Three. Ayan, next one. Two. Ayan, 2, 1. McLaren style. Shake, shake, shake. Very good. Ayan, reorganize the cup. Ang gagalit talaga ng mga kids natin. Okay, next player. Next player naman. Kuya, go, kuya.
Magdosay. Shake. Ayan.
Ayan, kaya mo yun, kuya.
Ayan, next player. Go, ate.
Go. Habang tayo tingin. Kaya pa yan.
Okay,
McLaren. Shake. Okay, ayusin mo yan. Alright, next player. Go, ate. Ayan, go, ate. Ayan, kaya mo yun, ate. Oh my God. Ayan,
Kuya,
go.
hindi ako pwede dito.
McLaren style. Shake. Alright.
Go, ate, kaya mo. McLaren style. Shake. Next. Go, ate Jessica.
And 3, 2. Ayan, build mo na.
Go, ate. Go. Next one. Next player.
Okay, next player. Okay. Kaya mo yan.
Go, kuya.
2, shake. Very good. Okay, next player, Kuya Yoshiro. Faster tayo.
Okay, magpapatalo.
Next tayo ng mga ball. Ayan, 2. Pagkanan sa'yo.
Go, Kuya Yoshiro.
Alright.
Go.
Okay,
Ayan.
next player.
Magdosay. Shake. Next player.
Ayan, very good talaga.
Go, kuya. Hindi kaya mo yan. Hindi mo papatalo ang group na to.
Okay, next
Oh,
player
Magdosay.
tayo.
Shake.
Okay, 3, 2, and 1. Magkano tayo natin? Shake.
Magdosay.
Ayusin yung cup. Very good. Ayan, kuya. Ayan. Ate.
Go, Kuya Ken.
Kuya Ken, susunod ka na dito, Kuya Ken. Ayan, very good.
Next player.
Ayan, balik sa likod. Next player.
Ayan, last player na to.
Siya na, si Kuya naman. Ayan, si Kuya naman. Go, how are you next? Ayan, kaya coordinate na agad. Papunan lang natin yung team A. Magdasal, shake. Ayan, si Kuya Ethan. Ayan, si Kuya Ethan naman. Kuya Ethan, go.
Go,
Ayan,
kuya.
Kuya Ethan, Kuya Ethan naman ba eh. Magic word.
Kuya Adam, anong magic word?
Alright, so we have our winner na. Bigyan mo na ng